Probably the number one reason that business owners are unable to resolve their back tax situation is because they don't know how to file their back tax returns when their books are a mess. So in reality, it's actually a lot easier than people realize. So first, I always recommend going to the bank and getting your last 7 years of bank statements, business and personal. Okay, there's some software, if you get them in PDF, that allow you download them into Excel, and then you can easily categorize the expenses. Or you can just go through and pick like a few basic categories and then make an initial against each line and then give the statements to a bookkeeper. For a lot of people, the issue is they have mixed business and personal expenses. So if you have personal expenses in your business account, I would put those as distributions. Where it gets tricky, or where some people get in trouble, is when they have multiple accounts, they're moving things back and forth, and they're unable to determine what is a personal expense versus business expenses. In those cases, a lot of times what we'll do is we'll use what I call the biz standard method, where we'll get industry standards for expenses. There's some websites and publications that provide that, and use those our expenses, and then we get the returns filed. So there are ways to do it. It shouldn't be the reason holding you back if you have unfiled tax returns. You're not the only one if your books are a mess, and there are ways around it.